Tutorial on J100 nozzle maintenance firmware upgrade during agricultural drone operations. Improper use or water ingress may cause faults, such as the burnout of the nozzle ESC. Inconsistent firmware versions of nozzles on the same drone can lead to uneven spraying or nozzle burnout. Thus, when replacing any component of the nozzle or the entire nozzle, it's necessary to promptly upgrade the spraying firmware to the latest version. To ensure the best experience, go to Device, Drone Spray Package. Select the latest firmware for upgrade. Note that upgrading 2 nozzles is relatively quick, while upgrading 4 nozzles may take 5 to 10 minutes. Firmware upgrades may fail due to network or battery issues. After the upgrade is complete, restart the drone. After restarting, you can check the nozzle firmware versions in the detailed version list. To ensure that the firmware versions of the 4 disc plates are consistent and up to date. If inconsistent firmware or non-latest versions are found, re-upgrade is required.